For today's interview, I'd like you to design a navigation service that might power something like Google Maps. Okay, got it. So just a navigation system. Can you tell me the exact requirements? Yep, we're looking for a service that can generate a route from point A to point B. It needs to be highly performant and scalable to millions of users, and it should also take into account real-time traffic data. Okay, here's my initial high-level design. We're going to be starting off with API Gateway, which is going to take in a start and an endpoint. EC2 is going to do all our processing, and we're just going to be using Dijkstra's algorithm and pull data from PostGIS to quickly calculate the shortest path. Now, in order to incorporate real-time traffic data like you wanted, every time somebody makes a request, we'll just hit the traffic service API to get the real-time traffic information. I'm a little worried about scaling and manually managing all these EC2 instances. Can you explain how we might be able to scale it out a different way? That's a good point. To make horizontal scaling easier, let's containerize the entire application and host it on ECS Fargate instead of using EC2 directly. Good fix. Next question. Do you really think Dijkstra's is the right algorithm for this? Do you think it can perform at the kind of scale we're looking for? Okay, I see what you're saying about Dijkstra's being too slow for this kind of scale. Let's switch to A star. Because we know both the start and the end location, and we can calculate how close we're getting to our goal, this algorithm is going to be much faster. And what if I told you that that traffic API can only support 1/10 the amount of TPS that you need to support? Can you think of a way we could handle this? Okay, let's replace all those calls to that traffic API with this Elasticache. This is going to refresh our traffic data every minute so we can quickly get it from here instead of having to call a third-party API. This is a different data store than our roads data, which is much more static compared to the real-time traffic data.